The movement against the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) and the National Register of Citizens (NRC) is also against those who stood with colonizers in the freedom movement when the people's unity was divided on communal lines, said Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. He said the movement has rekindled the spirit of our nationalist movement. In the past, our movement was against the colonizers. In the present, our struggle against communalism is a movement against those who stood with the colonizers. Back then the colonizers tried to disrupt the people's unity by dividing us on communal lines. Today, the communal elements are using the same strategy experimented by their previous masters, he said. He was speaking at the 4th edition of the Mumbai Collective on the topic of the national struggle against communalism. The session was chaired by N. Ram, Chairman, The Hindu Group Publishing Private Limited. In the face of untold economic miseries and emerging people's resistances, they seek to break the unity of workers, farmers, students, Dalits and Adivasis, in the name of religion. We should be able to see through these sinister designs and defeat them. Clarifying that the actions of the Kerala government of passing the resolution against the CAA and approaching the Supreme Court against it are constitutionally valid, Mr. Vijayan said the state ministers take oath and have a duty to stand by the constitution. The only provision in the constitution that limits discussion in legislature is the Article 211, which curtails discussions on the conduct of judges in the Supreme and the High Courts. Apart from that, legislatures can discuss any issue that they deem fit and pass resolutions as well, he said. The Kerala Chief Minister said the people of the country have a historical responsibility to ensure that the lofty values enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution are preserved and protected. It is in this line and with this spirit that the Government of Kerala and the Legislative Assembly have taken a strong stand in defence of the secular principles intrinsic to our Constitution, he said. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta on February 2 told the Delhi High Court that there is deliberate, calculated and well thought of design by Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case convicts to frustrate mandate of law by getting their execution delayed. Mr. Mehta told Justice Suresh Kait that convict Pawan Gupta's move of not filing curative or mercy petition is deliberate, calculated in action. There is deliberate, calculated and well thought of design to frustrate mandate of law. Mr. Mehta told High Court. The High Court is hearing the centre's plea challenging stay on the execution of 4 death row convicts in the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case. The proceedings are currently underway. The Congress on Sunday released its manifesto for the Delhi polls, promising to implement unemployment allowance of 5,000 rupees minus 7,500 per month and cashback schemes for water and power consumers, if voted to power. Presenting the manifesto, Delhi Congress Chief Subhash Chopra said the party will provide free power up to 300 unit per month. The manifesto also committed to spend 25% budget each year on fighting pollution and improving transport facilities. An unemployment allowance of 5,000 rupees for graduates and 7,500 rupees for postgraduates per month will be provided under the Yuva Swabhiman Yojana, he said. The Congress will launch flagship cashback schemes for power and water supply to benefit consumers saving these resources. The party, if voted to power, will open 100 Indira canteens to provide subsidized meals at 15 rupees, Mr. Chopra said. The Congress will challenge the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) in the Supreme Court and demand the centre to withdraw the law. The party will also not implement the National Register of Citizens (NRC) and the existing form of the National Population Register (NPR) if voted to power in Delhi.